Are you self-employed in finding it difficult to get a traditional mortgage? Are you maybe taking some aggressive tax deductions and not showing any verifiable income? Are you perhaps credit impaired because you are investing in your business, have a lot of open credit, and thus have a lower than normal FICO score? Well, the great news is we've got Stephen Dow from Velocity Mortgage, who constantly is helping the self-employed get deals done. Stephen, thank you for being here. Before we get into this crazy topic, please do that marketing spiel.
Although I work very happily for Velocity Mortgage Capital, all the ideas and topics discussed on this channel, that of my own. So let's get it going.
Yeah. So at the end of the day, when I think of Stephen in Velocity Mortgage, you are what I always call a make sense lender. And you are kind of the answer for a lot of self-employed, right? A lot of self-employed take aggressive tax deductions. Lots of them believe, I don't know why they believe this, but they do. They believe they want to show no income, which
Right.
of course makes you very hard and you're frankly not bankable.
Right.
Also, if you're early in the business, perhaps you have credit impaired because you are investing in your business. So how can Velocity Mortgage help the credit impaired business owner and the one with no taxable income or very little? What do you got?
Well, we kind of have a little bit of both. I guess it just depends on your specific need. But let's kind of compartmentalize the information to make it easier to
Sure.
digest. So specifically for uh, more aggressive, uh, I guess, how should I put this? Tax game players that
Yeah.
tend to kind of write off more off their income. Our products are typically, at the very least, stated income, where we're not going to require tax returns, pay stubs, or W-2s. And in some cases, there's even no DSCR required. So
Yeah.
I don't care about
Yep.
their income, don't care about your debt, don't care about the rent coming from the property. It's mainly asset based and your credit profile. So for our underwriting guideline philosophy, human behavior, right?
Yes.
Even if I can verify your capacity to pay back the loan, doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to pay it back, right?
Right.
Um, so in our case, your track record of managing credit properly, skin in the game, typically 25% or more, and these are on investment properties. They usually kind of cash flow to some degree to help towards the mortgage payment. They have very, lower default rates in
Yeah.
comparison to actually conventional full doc loans. So it's slightly different on how we underwrite. Like I said, it's mainly asset based, your credit profile and track record. So especially if
Yeah.
you're
And
experienced,
it, yeah. And I have firsthand knowledge of this. Velocity Mortgage yourself actually helped me get several loans done. And, I don't have a W-2. It
right?
was all, credit and, LTV and you just looked at the asset. So, you helped me do this as well. So I know it works.
Yes. No, again, I mean, our product, the company's been around for over 2 decades for a reason. We're publicly traded, so the business model definitely works. It's just specific to a certain audience, I would say. And again, you
Yeah.
kind of hit it on too specific. With us being more of a make sense lender, we can really bend and accommodate a lot of different, situations that other lenders cannot, that are a little bit more rigid,
Yeah.
more of a cookie cutter type of situation where we could be a little bit more flexible given the right compensating factors. So with
Yeah, I
that in
like that
mind,
word compensating factors. That's a big deal. And again, if you're out there, you're self-employed and you've tried to get a conventional loan and you can't, Velocity Mortgage might be worth a look.
I mean, it definitely in many cases, I mean, definitely there's never going to be one lender that can be everything to everybody.
Sure.
So for the two groups that you spoke about, for somebody who's a little bit more aggressive on their taxes, definitely the product works in that manner because I don't need any tax returns. In the case of the loan amount or loans that we could do, obviously for non-owner occupied residential and commercial as well, up to 75% LTV, depending upon property type, loan amount. Um, but otherwise it's stated income and even in many cases no ratio. So
Mm.
not even DSCR on residential 4 units and under. And for commercial, it would be loan amounts below 500,000, no ratio as well. So
Mm.
in that regard, we're very helpful for more of the aggressive tax game players. As far as credit impaired, whether it's temporary or whatever the issue is, or even no credit,
Mm.
we've got a product where, yeah, I can give you at least 50% LTV. I don't even need a score technically.
Right.
But even if you've got like a 417, true story, I did a loan for somebody with a 417 FICO, 50% LTV. So where you've got at least equity in the property, but are
Right.
going through some, temporary credit challenges due to recent divorce, death, health issues, whatever the case may
Yeah.
be. This would allow somebody to get into something pretty stable because we offer 30-year fixed financing, and the rates, especially for residential, I mean, it's below 10%.
Yeah.
Even with a 417 FICO, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
you can
Again,
even
the
buy down the
beauty
rate
of
as well.
yeah, the beauty of the Fast 50, again, you can have credit impaired. I can't even believe you could have a 417 credit score. That's the lowest I've heard of. But you could still get into that program with 10% down if you know this
Yep,
flexibility of the Fast 50 combined with the 90%
yep,
CLTV.
yep.
All you got to do is get the seller to kick in 40% equity, take a second mortgage. Velocity's there for 50 and first. You come in for 10%. That breaks people's brains. You can have a sub 500 credit score, get a levered real estate deal with only 10% down. It's wild.
I've talked about that with a couple of my other customers as well, but I really did somebody with a four. That's why I bring up that specific number. It blew
Yeah.
my mind. 417 FICO. We did the 50% LTV first. He found a seller, right, that would carry 40. He put down 10, and he got seller credit towards buying down some of
Buying
his
down
rate
the
a little bit,
rate.
and the prepaid.
Come
I tell
on.
that story, and people just go, "What? Wait, what? 417, 10%
Yeah.
down? Wait a minute, what? He got a sub 9%, 30-year fixed? What are you talking
Yeah.
about?
It's
Going
crazy.
no ratio? Wait a minute, what?" So
Yeah.
just finding the right opportunity, plugging
Yeah,
in the right tool.
at the end of the day, when I think of all the lenders I speak with, Velocity Mortgage is the one that has the most options and flexibility for self-employed individuals. Again, maybe you've been in business a year, maybe you've been in business 10 years. Maybe you have great credit, maybe you don't.
Right,
Maybe you have verifiable tax returns, maybe you don't.
right.
And it always warrants reaching out to Stephen Dow at Velocity Mortgage to see if they can help. Any kind of closing thoughts or thoughts?
Well, no, I think this would be kind of like a new series, I think, for us to kind of start to talk about specific scenarios, how the product could, my products can apply. Because I know we talk about the certain features of the product, but to then apply them to specific real world scenarios, I think that's going to be most helpful for your audience because then they'll be able to listen like, oh, that sounds like, similar to what I'm going through or what I need. So they'll know specifically how we could apply. So anyway, other than that, no, I'm excited for this next couple of series. And yeah, let's go on to the next one.
Alrighty, folks, at the end of the day, let us know your situation. Are you having difficulty getting a loan? Let me know the story, the outline. I will make sure Stephen and I add it to the Rolodex so we just keep adding valuable content. Stephen, now, if somebody is self-employed and they want to give you a ring or send you a note to
Mm-hmm.
get something started, what do they do?
Email right below there, sdao@velocitymortgage.com. In the subject line, please put the acronym ORAAT to get past the firewall. Body of the email, brief description, what you're looking for, best phone number to reach you at. FICO score will also be super helpful, and usually within 48 hours, I'll be in touch.
Thank you, buddy. I appreciate it. Have a great week.
Thank you. You too.
Mhm.